Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are working on our poses, and how to pose like a supermodel, just like me. Off we go, bitches. First thing, we must put on our shoes. Yes. Find a sexy way to get into character. Now that we have our shoes on, we're ready to get our bag. It's very important to know what you're modeling. So I've come up with my 5 favorite poses to teach you. Let's go. Number 1. What did you say? Huh? Yeah, it's all about the angle. It's all about the angles. Number 2, called shut up. Number 3, there's gum on my shoe. Yeah, that one's a bit tricky to hold. Number 4, twisty lion. Yeah, use your face. Twist it. Number 5, I can't find my tampon. Oh, that's my perfume. That's all we have time for today, everyone. If you wanna like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can get more tips and tricks of how to look beautiful like me, and also how to be the best dancer in the world. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Put on some cool music. Yeah. I'm a professional dancer. Yeah. I've got a tree in my house. Yeah. This is a bag.